Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? Okay, class nursery. It's our Oracy time and today we will learn question number 7. Our question number 7 is who is our first prophet? Do you know who is our first prophet? Very good. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam is our first prophet. Who is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam is our first prophet. Now we will learn question number 8 and our question number 8 is what should we say after completing any work? What we should say after completing any work? Yes, we should say Alhamdulillah. What should we say? Alhamdulillah. Okay, our question number 9 is tell the name of healthy food. Yes, hurriedly tell me. Very good. Okay, once learn with me. Egg, milk and fruits are healthy food. Once again learn with me. Egg, milk and fruits are healthy food. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.